In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to restart your Weebly site so you can wipe the slate clean and begin fresh. Whether you want to rebuild from scratch or simply clear old pages and content, the process is quick and easy. To get started, log into your Weebly account and head to your dashboard. You'll see all your sites listed there. Find the site you want to restart, click the three dots in the corner and choose the delete option. This instantly removes the old site and gives you a clean starting point. Once the site is deleted, click the plus icon on the dashboard. This lets you create a brand new site with fresh templates and a blank workspace to build your new design. If instead you want to keep the same site and only reset sections, you can use Weebly's editor tools. The undo and redo shortcuts let you backtrack changes easily. Use Ctrl and Z to undo or Ctrl and Y to redo. You can also manually delete pages, sections and elements to rebuild the parts you want without removing the entire site. After you've made all your changes, whether you rebuild everything or just clean things up, click Done in the editor to save your progress. When everything looks right, hit Publish to push your refreshed site live. And that's how you restart your Weebly site in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.